childhood. Pukot, exact age unknown, but probably around 85, of Aurora, Illinois, passed away in his home on February 18, 2023, surrounded by his family. He was preceded in death by his son, Jory Tu, his father, La Lu, and his mother, Sirla, and his stepfather, Gekop. He is survived by his wife, Mushui, Pokwa, Kwachi, and his wife, Tilupa, Pokwa, Rado, and his wife, Setuku, Pokwa, Alaire, and his wife, Lopa, and Pokwa, Lemu, and Pomu, Cheche B, and her husband, Sala B, and 9 grandchildren, all of Aurora, and his brother, La Hua, who is still in a Thailand refugee camp. Upon his death, when he can fight no more, it seems appropriate that his story should be told. Pukot was born a member of the Karen ethnic group in Burma. The Karen-Burmese military conflict, which began in 1949, is the oldest armed conflict in the world. Pukot joined the fight when he was a young teenage boy. In his final days, he often spoke as if he were still there fighting, often recalling battles and the deaths of dear friends. He fought in the jungles for many decades before returning to his village to start a family and farm in the highlands of the Burma Mountains. The conflict and violence continued around Pukot and his family as the Burmese military continuously sought and destroyed Karen villages. Pukot moved his family to safety many times over the years, and each time the Burmese military found and destroyed their village. Pukot was eventually forced to move his family to a refugee camp in Thailand. While running and hiding on their way to safety in the camp, his oldest son, Jory Tu, disappeared. Pukot and his family stayed in the camp for 14 years, adding a son. Pukot and his family joined other Karen, relocating to the U.S. between 2007 and 2011. All of Pukot's children were finally safe and together in Aurora. Pukot joined the U.S. Karen community and became a well-respected member of the community and patriarch of the Karen Baptist Church of West Chicago. While his children worked, Pukot, a farmer at heart, tended a garden any place he could plant a seed or grow a plant. And he spent many days fishing in the Fox River, just as he had done in Burma. Pukot loved his family very much and was honored to have their support, care, and presence. Pukot never stopped wearing the Karen colors of red, white, and blue. During his life, he sacrificed much for the freedom of his Karen people and his family, and he died believing one day the Karen would be free of Burmese oppression. Always dreaming of returning to his beloved homeland, Pukot now leaves the battle of Karen independence and freedom to the next generation.